Alright friends, in this session we will learn how to delete a file. So for deleting we will use remove method. If this file exists, I want to remove it. So for removing this I use os, and then inside os library I will use remove method. So what's my path? My path here example.txt. I want to remove this and I copy and paste it. If this file doesn't exist, the code inside the else block runs. So if I run it, you see, if I run it, my example.txt is removed. If I run it again, there is no more example.txt. If I run it again, you see the file doesn't exist message appears on the screen. Super. It's so simple. We learn how to remove a file.